Good morning students, this is Mrs. Banerjee and today I shall teach you how to write note making. Now I believe you already know that note making is a compulsory question that you have to attempt in the board examination. And the second comprehension passage that you get is based on note making. The total marks allotted by the board for the note making is 4 marks, and then based on the notes you need to write its summary and you get another 4 marks for it. So total 8 marks you have for note making. Now let us just look at the board and see the format of note making. So you can see the board that whenever you write note, first of all you need to write a suitable title for your notes, and thereafter you need to give subtitles and subpoints. Now what is the title based on? The title should be based on the theme of the comprehension passage. For example, your passage is about balanced diet. So obviously the title of the passage also should be nutrition or balanced diet. Maybe the first stanza, it is talking about carbohydrates. Then we should give the subtitle as carbohydrates or energy giving food. And thereafter the 3 important points in subtitle 1, so that is to be written. You need to follow a particular format also for writing the points. Subtitle 1's points should be 1A, 1B, 1C. This way of writing is called the indented format. Now whenever you write the subpoints, what you have to do, you should abbreviate some words. That is, you should write some words in a shortened manner. So those are to be included at the end of the note making. Now remember children that whenever you write note making, you should have minimum 3 subtitles, and per subtitle there should be 3 important relevant points. Thereafter all the abbreviated words should be written at the end of the note making. You need to make a box for the abbreviations and you need to write the abbreviated words over here. Now what is the marking scheme of note making? Now as you can see, it's written on the board. That is, the marking scheme includes marks for writing the title and subtitle. You have 1 mark for writing the title and subtitle. You have 2 marks allotted for writing the content, and you have 1 mark for abbreviation. So total it makes up to 4. Thereafter you need to write the summary of the notes. The summary should be totally based on the notes that you have taken down. So the summary should be written in 80 words, and it also comprises of 4 marks. So total 4 plus 4, it makes to 8. Now today I have an example of note making with me. This you can also find at the end of the NCERT book. So at the end of the NCERT book there is a comprehension that you can see, and based on the comprehension we have prepared notes for you. So the heading is note making. In the beginning only you can see the title or the heading is given, Undersea Exploration to Locate Dwarka. So it is an undersea exploration to find out Dwarka, the city which is supposed to be submerged under the water of the sea. Then you can see that the first point is Dr. Rao's expeditions, and then you have a sub-point included in the first subheading. Now here there is only 1 sub-point, but you should write a minimum of 3 sub-points. Then you can see the second subheading. The second subheading you have it as the findings, and you can see it is point number 2. And then the subheadings, sub-points are written as 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, so on and so forth. So this is writing it in an indented format. So you can see all the important sub-points are included. Similarly, you have the third subheading, and thereafter the sub-points are written. Now I'll just read out one of the subheadings. See, the second subheading, the first word is under, UNDR. So this is actually the abbreviated form of the word under, UNDER. So underwater, again WTR, water is written as WTR. So it is again the abbreviated form of water. And then what has been done, you can see, I'll just lift it out. At the end you have a box for writing the abbreviations. Over there you have seen BC, that is before Christ, is shortened or written in an abbreviated manner BC. Diff stands for different, under stands for under, WTR stands for water, and so on and so forth. Now after you finish writing the notes, what you have to do, you need to write a summary. The summary's heading can only be summary, and thereafter, or maybe you can use the heading that you have used for note making as well. And thereafter in 80 words, the summary is to be written. Now keep that in mind that your summary should be based on the note making. So you need to write the note making well, because CBSE penalizes. If any student has not been able to attempt the note making well, then full marks is not allotted for summary writing as well. So you need to write it well, and once you get 8 out of 8 in note making, so you can expect your percentage to be good. So this is what we have for today. Thank you and have a nice day.